Imagine this: you have super private files, family photos, sensitive work documents, or even those late-night college papers you poured your heart into. You want to hide them from prying eyes, or just anyone who might use your computer. You've tried the usual hiding methods, but you know that anyone with a bit of tech savvy can unhide them with a click. So, what's the real solution? Don't worry. Today, we're going to reveal a secret Windows trick that pros use to make their files and folders disappear so magically, they won't show up even if someone tries to search for them using common methods. All of this is done using a simple yet powerful command called Attrib, short for attribute. This command doesn't just hide, it makes Windows itself believe these files are part of its core system, so they won't appear unless you know exactly how to reveal them. Get ready, because you're about to become an expert in hiding your private files and ensuring your privacy is securely protected. Now, let's get to the core of it. How do we actually do this? It's super simple, and you don't need to be a computer expert to follow along. We'll be using the Command Prompt, a built-in Windows tool that lets you give direct commands to your computer. Before we start, you need to know the folder path of the folder you want to hide. This path is the complete address of the folder on your computer. The easiest way to get it is as follows. Open File Explorer, the yellow folder icon on your taskbar. Navigate to the folder you want to hide. For example, if your folder is named Valley4Tex and it's inside your partition D. Click on the address bar at the top of File Explorer. You'll see the full path of the folder. For instance, D:\Valley4Tex. Copy this path. You can select it with your mouse and press Ctrl+C, or right-click and choose Copy. Now that you've copied the path, let's open Command Prompt. Click the Start button in Windows. Type CMD or Command Prompt in the search bar. Command Prompt will appear in the results. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This step is crucial to ensure you have the necessary permissions to change folder attributes. Now for the magic command. In the Command Prompt window you opened, type the following command. But pay attention. You must replace your folder path with the actual path you copied in step 1. To paste the path, right-click in the Command Prompt window, or press Ctrl+V. Attrib +S+H, your folder path. Command explained. Attrib. This is the command we use to change file and folder attributes. +S. This attribute makes the folder a system file. This means Windows will treat it as part of its essential system files. +H. This attribute makes the folder hidden. Your folder path. This is the full path to the folder you want to hide. The double quotes are very important if there are spaces in the folder name or path. After typing the command and ensuring it's correct, press Enter. If you don't see any error messages, it means the operation was successful. Go to File Explorer, and you'll notice that your folder has completely disappeared. You might be thinking, hey, I already hide my files using the regular folder properties. What's the big deal? And the answer is, a world of difference. When you hide a folder the normal way, by going to its properties and checking the Hidden option, it's just a superficial hide. Anyone with basic Windows knowledge can simply go to File Explorer Settings, check the Show Hidden Items option, and all your supposedly hidden files will pop right up, as if you did nothing at all. But with the Attrib command, it's a completely different story. This command doesn't just make the folder hidden, it adds 2 more attributes, the system attribute +S, and the hidden attribute +H. When a folder gains the system attribute, Windows treats it as a core system file. By default, Windows hides these system files to prevent users from accidentally tampering with them and corrupting the system. This means even if you enable the Show Hidden Items option, your folder still won't appear. To make it visible, you'd have to enable another, deeper, and less common option, Show Protected Operating System Files. This option is usually hidden and only known to tech-savvy users. In short, if you're looking for an extra layer of security and privacy for your files and folders, using the Attrib command is a smart and effective solution that will give you peace of mind. If you want to bring your folder back and see it again, it's very simple. All you need to do is use the same command as before, but instead of the plus sign, use a minus sign before S and H. This tells Windows to remove the system and hidden attributes from the folder. Attrib -S-H, your folder path. Press Enter, and your folder will reappear in its normal location in File Explorer. Easy, right? If you're a fan of modern tech and use Windows 10 or 11, you've probably heard of PowerShell. It's a more powerful and flexible tool than Command Prompt, allowing you to execute almost all the same commands, plus many advanced ones. The good news is you can use the same Attrib command in PowerShell in the exact same way. This method is a bit easier for handling paths, especially if the folder you want to hide is nearby. Open File Explorer and navigate to the folder that contains the folder you want to hide. Hold down the Shift key on your keyboard, then right-click in any empty space within the current folder, don't click on any file or folder. A menu will appear. Select Open PowerShell window here. When you open PowerShell this way, it will automatically be in the directory you're currently in. This means you won't need to type the full path for the folder you want to hide, you can just use its name. In the PowerShell window you opened, type the following command. Remember to replace folder name with the actual name of the folder you want to hide. If the folder name has spaces, you must enclose it in double quotes. Attrib +S+H folder name. Press Enter, and the folder will disappear immediately. Just like with Command Prompt, simply change the plus signs to minus signs. Attrib -S-H folder name. Press Enter, and your folder will reappear. That's all. The Attrib command is one of the powerful yet simple tools that Windows provides to help you control who sees your files and who doesn't. Today, we learned how to use this command to hide your folders professionally, whether you're using the traditional Command Prompt or the modern PowerShell. Always remember, knowledge is power, as the little finger said in Game of Thrones. Now that you know this secret, you can secure your private files more effectively. Don't hesitate to apply what you've learned, and share this information with your friends and family so they can benefit too. Have you tried hiding your folders this way before? Or do you have another preferred method? Share your experience in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech tips, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next upload.